Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will be counting by half hours. 12 a.m., midnight. 12:30 a.m., 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m., 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m., 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m., 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m., 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m., 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., noon, 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m., 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 5 p.m., 5:30 p.m., 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m., 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m., 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m., 11 p.m., 11:30 p.m., 12 a.m., midnight.